Thank you for joining me for Amazon Seller's Lawyer Inside Information. How to deal with IP complaints as they roll in. Every single time you get an intellectual property right complaint, and I don't care if it's trademark, trade dress, counterfeit, trademark, whatever the IP complaint is, even if it is 100% baseless, what I want you to do is to address them as they come in. You have to hire a lawyer that knows intellectual property law and Amazon. We are the absolute best. And reach out to whoever made that complaint and get a retraction. Whether the complaint is baseless or the complaint is absolutely valid. If you did do something where you infringed upon someone's intellectual property rights, the goal is 100% the same thing. You need to get that complaint retracted so that the account health is better and lower your risk of an account suspension. If you'd like to learn more about how to get IP complaints off your account, go to this video and look at how to clear IP complaints off your account to maintain the health of your account and to protect your livelihood. Thank you for joining me for this episode of AmazonSellersLawyer.com Inside Information.
Jason here with Amazon Seller's Lawyer to talk to you today about the coronavirus and Amazon's fair pricing market policies. We're seeing a lot of sellers call in with both listing suspensions and account suspensions for violations due to this policy. We're seeing notifications come in for price gouging specifically. And a lot of the commonalities that we're seeing with this, units that are meant to be sold as singles being sold as bundles, meaning that you have a case of 12, say, masks, and each one is meant to be sold individually, but you pop it on Amazon, you sell it as a case of 12. However, that UPC code on that box is actually meant for a single unit. So Amazon's going to flag that product as being priced incorrectly. They're going to suspend the listing, and in some cases, they're going to suspend the account. We're seeing this happen with hand sanitizers, with masks, basically anything that would kind of be correlated with sanitization as well as, the coronavirus itself. So be careful, make sure that you don't have that auto pricing tool on that can get you in trouble right now, and make sure that you're selling single units where they're meant to be sold as single units and bundles when they're meant to be sold as bundles.